Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix system is busy please try again later issue on TikTok. So guys, if you're also facing this issue on your TikTok, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to App Store and from here search for TikTok, and then you have to simply download and install the latest version of TikTok app on your device. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is open settings on your device and then go to general and then scroll it below all the way and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Again, go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time from here. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.